Lost your Cash app card or worried about frauds? Learn how to freeze your card instantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So why does freezing your Cash app card mean? Freezing your Cash card temporarily disable it so no transaction can be made. So useful if you have lost your card or suspect fraud. And here's how to freeze your Cash app card. First, launch Cash App on your phone, then tap the card icon at the top of the bottom, then select your physical or virtual cash card. Then you will see an option called freeze cash card. All you have to do is tap the switch to turn it on. And then lastly, your card is now frozen and cannot be used until you unfreeze it. And here's some important notes. Freezing doesn't mean cancel or close your card. It's just reversible. And you can unfreeze anytime by toggling off the freeze options. If your card is stolen or permanently lost, consider ordering a new one. And here's my final thought. Freezing your Cash app card is a quick way to protect your money if you think your card is at risk. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.